Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news markets are betting Trump will declare victory over Iran soon and walk back his war. But the Straits of Hormuz are still effectively closed to all but Iranian-linked vessels. Perhaps oddly, markets are assuming they will open to all soon. But the US Navy has escorted one tanker through. The betting on taco is strong. But separately today, the overnight dairy pulse auction brought little change to last week's full auction. That means those good prices were essentially maintained. So no sign yet that the global rise in dairy supply is hurting prices. In the US, the ADP weekly jobs report rose 15,500, the same as the prior week, steadying after 5 weeks of modest gains. Existing US home sales rose marginally in February, but that was better than expectations that they would fall. That leaves them 1.4% lower than year-ago levels. Despite the recent rebound, unsold inventory rose at a sharper rate. And the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index fell for a second consecutive month in February when it was expected to rise. In Japan, machine tool orders remained especially strong in February, especially export orders. And China's exports rose almost 22% in February from the same month a year ago, the best rise since the pandemic. In Australia, the Westpac Melbourne Institute Consumer Sentiment Survey showed consumers remain firmly pessimistic, although sentiment continues to show some resilience. Daily responses in their survey show a material weakening over the survey week. And staying in Australia, the NAB Business Confidence Survey found that business conditions were steady in February. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.14%, up 2 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today up $126 from yesterday at $5,229 an ounce. But American oil prices are down $9.50 at just under $84.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is down $10.50 to be now $88.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is up 20 basis points against the US dollar from yesterday, now just on 59.5 US cents. But against the Aussie, we're down a sharp 80 basis points at 82.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 51.1 euro cents. And that all means our trade weighted index starts today up 10 basis points at just under 63. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.